guys want to race? No, the white one's a 400, I think. We're riding criminals. Y'all know what I'm about to do with the light, though. Oh wait, cops right here. Hold on. My bad. All right, she wants to go fast. Oh my fucking god. They almost sideswiped like 3 of us, bro. We were all trying to like get away from the car. What's up, man? Nice bike. Nice bike. This? Oogie Boogie. Oh no. Should I still pop it? Yeah, why not? You guys want to race? Fuck. Can I pop a wheelie? Fuck. Have a good night, guys. Be safe. Hey, you gotta be careful, bro. You almost took him out.
Yeah, man, because you guys scared me.
It scared you.
This car is so big, so I have to go this way, and that's why I did this. I knew that I did that, but it wasn't my purpose, man.
You're all good, man. You're all good. Have a good night. Be safe. I'm about to hit this bus. Holy shit.